Hello people, welcome back to my channel Math is Fun. In the previous video, we had learnt about the basic concepts of geometry, that is point, collinear and non-collinear points, line, ray, line segment and angle. Remember all of them? Today we will learn about some more geometry concepts. But before I start, I would like to remind you about the question I had asked in my last video, which is how many lines pass through a single point and how many pass through 2 points. I have received a few right answers as well. Okay, now let me tell you the right answer. We can draw infinite number of lines, that is as many lines as we want through a single point, but only one line through 2 points. Strange, isn't it? Now coming back to geometry. Last time we had learnt about angles. Look at this angle, AOB. It has two arms, OA and OB, and a vertex O. Now let's learn how to write an angle name. This angle can be written with three letters. It is angle AOB or angle BOA. That is, the vertex O is always in the middle. Another way of writing an angle name is by writing only the vertex name. In this case, it's angle O. We all know that we measure the length of a line segment using a ruler or scale. Do you know what we use to measure an angle? An angle is measured using an instrument called protractor. Angles are always measured by a unit called degree. For example, 45 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. See the round symbol above the numbers 45, 90 and 120? It is the symbol of degree. Based on their measures, there are three main types of angles in geometry. They are acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Now let's see them one by one. First comes the acute angle. The angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. In this figure, you can see some acute angles of different measurement. Now, can you think of any object that resembles an acute angle? Just look at this picture. Yes, it's a slice of pizza. It is an acute angle. Now let's come to the next angle, that is right angle. The angle which measures exactly 90 degree is a right angle. Look at this figure. This is how a right angle looks. Now can you recollect any object from our day-to-day life that looks like a right angle? There are many items that come to our mind. For example, look at this window. It has 4 right angles. The next angle is obtuse angle. The angle which measures more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is an obtuse angle. See this figure. You can see many obtuse angles of different measures. Now let's see which object resembles an obtuse angle. Look, this is a hand fan. The angle made by it is an obtuse angle. Now suppose you are shown an angle. How can you identify whether it's acute, right or obtuse? It is really very simple. If you know their measures, it is easy to know. If it measures between 0 to 90 degree, it is acute. If it is exactly 90 degree, then it's right angle. And if it is between 90 to 180 degree, it's obtuse angle. What if the measures are not mentioned? There is a very easy way to know. You have to imagine a straight vertical line from the vertex of the angle. See this figure. In angle DAB, I have drawn a line from vertex A, the dotted line. Its name is AC. Now see the arm AD. It falls within the dotted line AC. So it's an acute angle. Now see the next figure. Here the arm AD is outside AC. Hence it's an obtuse angle. Identifying a right angle is very easy. Look at this figure. Both the dotted line AC and the arm AD are the same. You need not draw any dotted line. You can just imagine them. This is how we can find out if an angle is acute, right or obtuse. I hope that now you have a better understanding about angles, its types, and how to identify them. Before I wind up, I have an activity for you. Observe your surroundings and find out objects which looks like acute angle, right angle or obtuse angle. You can drop your answer in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be discussing some more interesting concepts in geometry. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell icon to get notifications. And last but not the least, remember the equation. Learning into fun minus fear is equal to our favorite channel, Math is Fun. Thank you.